Wow. Bite together for me. Absolutely perfect.
My name's Tim Bown from Colville, Leicestershire. I had a lot of trouble with my original dentures from NHS. They kept breaking and I was forever repairing them myself in the end because there's any way I could get around. My daughter, who works in the industry, asked me if I'd like to get some dentures made up. I jumped at the chance because I couldn't really afford a new set of dentures. I was gluing them together.
Tim presented to us with no teeth. He had been struggling with his existing set of dentures, couldn't eat very much, was squashing his food, and he'd had another set of very good analog dentures made, very, very high standard. He was starting to eat really well and thought, I can't get any better than this. Because he was so happy with the feel and the look of those existing dentures, we simply scanned them, copied them. 2 days later, brand new set of TrueDent dentures.
Got the Stratasys TrueDent material in, and he mentioned when we were talking to him afterwards that I'd made him a really good set initially and he didn't think it could get any better. And then he just plonked these in his mouth and he just said they're the most comfortable things I've ever worn.
And he's put them straight in and it's like, wow, the feel was unbelievable. They've been 3D printed up and within 2 days I've got them in my mouth and straight away I knew I wasn't going to get any sores. There was going to be no rubbing, I could feel the difference. And even rubbing your tongue across the back of your teeth, I feel like I've got teeth now rather than the smoothness of the other ones where it just didn't feel like real teeth, even though they work like real teeth and they look like real teeth from the front. Feeling from your tongue inside. With these 3D printed ones, I can move along and it's like I've got real teeth in my mouth again. I was struggling to eat most things before. Now I can eat anything, even apples, which I've never been able to do for 25 years. Now I can bite into an apple. It's amazing. I can't say no more really, it's just fantastic.
Obviously the technology makes it feel like an even more natural set of teeth, doesn't it? You know.
These do, yeah.
But
these feel
even better than an analog set.
I've been picking them up and saying how good they are and oh, you do well if you can get better than them because they're perfect to me. But now these are that little bit better. The way they feel in the mouth, when they bite together, everything about them feels that they look better. You know,
wow.
They look good. Impressive. They look good as well. They
look very natural.
Yeah. This is analog. This is the way we've been doing it for as long, well, all my career. This is how we've been doing these. And to say this is, to a lot of people, still gold standard, but the patient knows best. If the patient says to me that they're better, what am I to say? They're all fit, either yesterday or today. They literally came in at 3 o'clock yesterday, and we didn't do anything, did we? I looked at them and went, they look similar. Just try them. And he went bang bang, and just went straight in. And you're like, fair enough, my job's done. I'll go.
To be able to provide what we're providing to our patients is unreal, really. I mean, it's a life-changing thing. It's a confidence thing. It's restoring someone's ability to smile. There's nothing better than that.
It's fantastic to see the impact that our work at Prime is having on patients as well. It's a real benefit of me being in the clinics and seeing these jobs fitted, getting instant patient feedback in the clinics when we're fitting analog dentures and then giving them a 3D printed set of dentures. Just give them as a blind test and every single time they're saying the 3D printed dentures are the ones they prefer. Is just a testament to the material really, and it just shows that we need to sort of only produce what the patient wants us to produce. If they have a choice and they choose one thing over and over again, then we need to follow that as a lab and in the clinics as well.
I feel as I've got perfect now because as soon as I put them in, the difference was there. You could feel lighter. I don't feel as I've got so much in my mouth. It just feels absolutely fantastic. And it's all been done at Zenith here, and the support they give me and what they've done for me is almost life-changing, to be fair.